Hi, it's Dave T here, and if you're familiar with this channel then you'll know that I've made various unboxing and review videos. Now all of these lead me to be opening up boxes with a variety of sharp implements, none of which really look that great on film. So with Christmas just around the corner, I decided to ask Santa if he'd get me a new knife, and this is what I received. The only criteria was that the knife looked good on film. Now at this point the obvious thing would be to do a review video using some classic B-roll, such as this.
Hit it, boys.
But instead I thought I'd create a video about how I make some interesting product photos, and to do that I'm going to scan my home for some interesting props. What I'm looking for is things to surround the product, to hint at a story, and also something with colour and texture to use as a backdrop. Let's see what we can find. Trying to do is to set up a scene using this totally random selection of props to hint at a story. As part of that, I'm going to try and catch the reflection of this book cover in the makeup mirror to add some human context to the final photo. By the way, DC black on the book cover, that's actually me. Okay, so let's put this scene together. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then please hit that like button, and if you'd like to see other videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.